Hey, this is Eli, aka Devoted Day Trader, coming at you live from a McDonald's. I'm on the road, so I only traded one stock today, Crowd, but I held some of my position for the entire day. So today on this recap, I'm gonna focus on when we should hold on to our position and let it ride. So Crowd, I took it long in the open. I'm not sure if it has if the Crowd had fresh news, but I noticed in the pre-market that it was trading on high volume. So what I noticed in the open, so this is the 5-minute chart. I noticed these tails close and the bars are closing above a VWAP and the 20 exponential moving average, and I liked this move up. And what I liked about the pullback, so I bought the pullback off the 20 EMA, which was it bounced from yesterday's high. This line is pre-market high. So once I noticed that sellers tried selling it down, but they did not make much progress, I thought this was a good pullback. I went long at a 52.53 with a tight stop. Actually, I didn't want to give it to the low of this because I wanted to, decrease my risk, and because if my stop was here, I couldn't take profit here. I would have to wait until it got to here, and I placed this. I started this trade right before I was gonna start a 5-6 hour drive from the Bay Area to Los Angeles. So I anyway, when I bought here, I sold some of my position here. I sold more here, and I was already pretty profitable since my stop was here. My risk was about 20 cents or so, and I captured this entire move, and I still had about 25% of my position remaining, so I let it ride as I started the drive from the Bay Area to Los Angeles, and I put my stop at the low of my entry bar, and which is also a pre-market high. Yeah, and then it just kept trending. Right before the market closed, I guess the market is still going on right now. About 3 minutes remaining, but I took off my position right here. This at 55.34. I thought it could potentially make a new high, but once it made a double top, so it got to 55.54, but then it sold off by 2 bars. It tried making a comeback, and then it made an exact double top at 55.54, and I kept holding because I knew that if it broke 55.54, I knew that it was gonna run and test high of day and possibly make a new high. But once it failed for the third time, so it made the double top right here. It tried making a new high. It failed at that same price, and then it tried again. It failed, and then once it made a new 5-minute low, I got out right here because I knew that it was gonna dump and potentially test VWAP. So this was the trade today. Very happy with the way I handled this trade. It was a very profitable trade. Part of the trick was I guess not watching the chart because I couldn't get in my own way while I was making this move up. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below, and I will post this today. And starting tomorrow, I'm going to be back at home in Los Angeles, and I will be able to make videos and upload them regularly. Have a good day. Peace.